Baci's Learning Land.
Hey friends, welcome back to Baci's Learning Land. I'm Baci and today we're going to learn so many important things. We're going to learn about counting numbers and we're going to learn about body parts and even seeing what this puzzle makes. Now, if you want to follow along, don't forget to visit bacislearningland.com because there is free activities that go with these videos. So don't forget to like and subscribe to watch more of our learning videos. Okay, let's get started. So for this video, we're going to be learning about counting and body parts. And guess what? Every time we put a puzzle piece here and we count correctly, we get to figure out which body part is on that puzzle piece. And we get to learn so much about ourselves. Are you ready? All right. First, we're going to start with the number 1. Do you see where the number 1 is? Of course, it's right here. It's a puzzle piece that is yellow. It's on this ear. It has a number 1. Let's put it right there. What's that? There are puzzle pieces. More of them. Whoa, look at this one. There's 1 and 2 different pieces. Let's find out where this belongs. So we saw that on the bear, on the head, there were 2 puzzle pieces. The first one is an eye. The eye is right here. Yeah. And this body part is called an ear. We found the eye and the ears. They're both found on our head. Nice. Let's keep going. We found the first puzzle piece. What comes after 1? Of course, it's the number 2. Do you see the number 2, the second puzzle piece? What color is it? Yes, it's the number 2. It's right here. Let's put it. Oh, there's the numeral. This is the second puzzle piece. Let's put it right under the yellow puzzle piece. So we have the ears and the eyes. And now we found, whoa, 2 puzzle pieces again. We have the nose and the mouth. But where can we find these things on our body? Oh, wow. Look, on our face, can you see any of these 2? Yeah. The mouth goes on our face. Yeah, there's a mouth on our face. And it's located on our head. Our head is this part right here. What about this puzzle piece? Can that one go on our head too? Yeah, it's our nose. We breathe with our nose. Look at that. We found 1, 2, 3, 4 puzzle pieces already. You're fantastic. So we have 1 and 2. I think we're finished the head part of the bear. Now we get to go to the torso. The torso goes from the shoulder to the hip over here. So let's count 1, 2. What comes after 2? 3, of course. Did you find the third puzzle piece? Over here? Yeah. Oh, it's this teal colored puzzle piece. It has a numeral number 3 right here. Where should we put it? Not quite. There it is. It looks like it's part of the shoulder of the bear. Do you see another puzzle piece there? No, which means we could keep going. 1, 2, 3. What comes next? 4. Way to go. Do you see what color it is? It's orange. Look at this orange puzzle piece with the numeral number 4. Where can we put it? Oh, but it's the other shoulder, of course. Whoa, we're doing really good. We almost have half of the torso of the bear. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We found a yellow puzzle piece, a light green puzzle piece, teal puzzle piece, and an orange puzzle piece. So we found 1, 2, 3, 4. What comes after 4? Oh, my hand's doing it. Number 5. Can you find where the number 5 is? Right here. Look. That's the number 5. That's the numeral for the number 5. Let's place it right here. There we go. Fantastic. What's that? Oh, we got another one. Look at that. I wonder what this is. Let's check it out. So we saw that on the head of our body, we could find eyes, a nose, an ear, a mouth, or even more of those objects. But what about this one? We go into the torso part of our bodies. This looks like it goes here, doesn't it? It's called an arm. We found an arm. Yeah. Okay, let's see if there's any more things that we can find. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We found a yellow puzzle piece, a light green puzzle piece, a teal puzzle piece, a dark orange puzzle piece, a red, and now for number 6, it is right, a dark green puzzle piece. It's the number 6. Well done. Oh, but it seems like we're still in the torso, so we have to go over here. Way to go. Oh, we found another one. Look at that. Let's quickly see what it is. On our body, on our torso, it's not quite an arm anymore, although it is at the end of our arm. We might be able to find this. Oh, look, it's a hand. Way to go. Okay, so we've done the head, the torso, and now comes our lower body. I wonder what body parts are there. All right, so let's see. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we have colors yellow, light green, teal, orange, red, and green. Okay, so let's see what this one is. Number 7 is the color blue. Oh, yes, it is. Here's the blue color puzzle piece. There's nothing quite under that puzzle piece, so let's keep going, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's the puzzle piece number 8. I see that numeral. Let's put it beside right here. It's getting tricky now. Okay, so let's see. Yellow 1, light green 2, teal 3, orange 4, red 5, green 6, blue 7, and then it looks like it's like a light yellow 8, followed by 9. What color is the number 9? Another orange. Of course, take a look at that. It's an orange number 9, and it kind of looks like, might be a little lighter orange. Let's put it right here. Well done. We found another missing puzzle piece. Let's check where it belongs. So we're learning about the lower body. Okay, so this, no, it doesn't look like that. Oh, it's over here. They're legs. All right, not quite here. Oh, it's over here. They're legs. Yes, the part over here. Well done. All right. Oh, we're almost done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Way to go. Puzzle piece number 10. And it's also, this one looks like it's a bright color blue. Let's put that one here. And we found our last puzzle piece. Whoa, how exciting. So on our lower body, we also have a foot or feet. Oh, whoa. Look at that. So on our head, we have eyes, we have a nose, we have ears, and we have a mouth. On our torso, our upper body, we have arms and we have a hand. And on our lower bodies, we have feet or a foot and legs or a leg. And with that, we finished our bear. And I had so much fun with you. Thumbs up. You did fantastic. So don't forget to check out bacislearningland.com because you can do this activity with me. You could trace out the words, ears in singular or plural form, the body parts, and the sections of our body parts, and number where they belong. Yeah, you can follow along with me. But there's a very special message. Remember, we all look different. You are special and loved just the way you are. And with that, I want to say thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.
See ya soon.